Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paisley if you're new here, and just hello again to all of you because I know it's been a really long time since I uploaded my last video. A really long time. And it's really sad because in my last video I was like, keep a lookout for my next video, uploading very soon. And then I went to edit the footage and it just turned out really badly and I didn't feel like refilming it, so I just ended up answering most of my Q&A questions on my Instagram stories. They're in my highlights if you want to go check out those. But yeah, I didn't upload it and I'm really sorry because I did tell you, keep an eye out for it, and I never did that, but it's okay. I'm back now and I'm really excited to film a holiday makeup look for you guys today. Christmas is pretty much my favorite holiday. Like, I know a lot of gurus say that not that I'm a guru, okay, that was gross. A lot of Instagrammers or YouTubers say that their favorite holiday is Halloween, and I do love Halloween, but my thing is definitely Christmas, because my three favorite colors in the world are red, green, and black. And any excuse that I have to wear red and green at the exact same time on my face, I will take it. So that is why I love Christmas makeup so much. So yeah, today I'm gonna be doing a green smoky eye with like a gold shimmer lid and a classic red lip. So if you want to see how I get the look, then just keep on watching. So I'm gonna start out by doing my brows today, and for that I'm going to be using my Morphe Almond Brow Pomade. This one is just slightly warmer than the Anastasia caramel one, so I really like this one. It matches my hair a tiny bit better. I do like the formula of the Anastasia one better, but this one's just like a nicer color for me. Now that my brows are done, I'm going to be using the Gemini palette for the dark greens in this look. I think I'm just gonna use like this Leo color and then maybe deepen it with either some black or the brown. I just want like a nice dark olivey green for the base before I put on the gold shimmer. I'm actually gonna start with the shade Mochi right here. And I'll zoom you guys in a little bit more so you can actually see. That's probably good there. Okay, cool. So using the Mochi shade first, just in my crease. And I'm gonna be kind of like just winging it out a tiny bit, just pulling out the shadow a bit so it's a little bit more elongated. So then I'm going to be taking the shade Leo right here. So it's a darker green color, and I'm going to be using that on my outer corner and in my crease. I just love how easily these shades blend. Like, they really blend themselves out. And I know like that sounds like a dumb thing to say because I am blending them, but like they blend really easily. So I'm pretty happy with how that looks. And then for the lid, it's kind of like a greeny gold, which I think is gonna look really good with this look. This is one of the Lime Crime Diamond Dews in the shade Gold Dust. And I just love liquid eyeshadows for the lid. Like, they're just so easy. I'm in love with the new Huda Beauty ones as well. I just really liked the color for this look today, so I'm using the Lime Crime one. But yeah, I'm pretty much just gonna be putting that on like the inner corner to halfway onto my lid. Pretty much just like a half cut crease. So original, I know, but I think it's gonna be really pretty. So I pretty much just apply it on my lid like that, and then I just take my finger just to pat out the edge so that I don't have a harsh line, and this just helps blend it out a little bit more. But I'm really, oh my god, I love how this looks right now. So now that the eyeshadow's done, I'm just going to apply some mascara and some false lashes. Today I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And sorry that I'm not being too talkative, you guys. I'm just honestly pretty stressed out about like the holidays, and honestly I'm just really hungry right now, so I'm not too talkative. But yeah, I just had a lot to do today. I'm pretty much halfway through my to-do list. I'm still gonna have to edit this video. I have to send some emails back to people. So like I still have a lot to do today, and I'm hungry, so I guess I'm just not too talkative. The lashes that I'm going to be applying are the Iconic lashes from House of Lashes, not the Iconic Lights. These are the original ones. They're a little bit more dramatic. So to finish up the eyes, I'm just going to be taking this shade right here. So this is Fire OG. So then to go back and finish up the rest of my face, I'm going to be using my MAC powder on my under eyes just to set a little bit. The concealer I used is supposed to set on its own, and it definitely did for the rest of my face, but on my under eyes, I think I still need the setting powder. So then to do a little contouring, I'm going to be using this MAC palette right here. And I think I'm going to go for this middle shade. Then for blush, I'm going to be using this one from Milani, and this one is in the shade Rose d'Oro. I literally cannot pronounce that. But yeah, I absolutely love the Milani blushes. I really like a luminous blush, and they do some of the best ones. Then to highlight the face, I'm actually going to be using 2 highlighters, and I know that's a little bit extra. You definitely don't need to do this, but this is the combination that I've been doing recently. So I use the Blackmoon Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Centipede first, and then I just top off a little bit with this Fenty Diamond, what is this called? How Many Carats highlighter, just a little bit on top, and it gives me like a really nice dewy finish. So then to finish off the face, I'm going to be using this lipstick from Blackmoon Cosmetics as well. This one is in the shade Deranged. Wow, I can barely speak right now. But yeah, this one's in the shade Deranged. It's just a really nice dark red, and I thought it would go well with this look. Alrighty, so this is the finished holiday makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry it took me so long to get another video up, but I hope it was worth the wait. I hope you guys have a happy holidays, and I will catch you on my next video.